ISSA Show North America is coming soon, October 10th through 13th in Chicago, and we're all excited about it. And some of the best parts of the show are the educational opportunities. And today, to talk about one opportunity you should not miss, with me are two gentlemen, Rory Sala, the Director of Sales for Sunbelt Flooring Solutions, and Alec Germond, the National Manager for Sunbelt Flooring Solutions. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, Jeff. We're thrilled to be here and can't wait to get to Chicago in just a few short weeks and visit with our friends at the ISSA and meet some new friends through the ISSA. It's always a treat, and we are ready to go.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm not sure if Alec is. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Jeff. I'm ready. I'm excited. I've been thinking about it since last year when we wrapped up, and excited for everyone to see some of the new stuff we've got showing off to better serve the industry. So I'm excited and can't wait to be there.
Fantastic. What we're going to do today is talk about the workshop, the class that you're both involved in. That's the focus. So let's get into that. It's called Grow Your Business by Saying Yes to More Opportunities with Quality Rental Solutions. And that's Wednesday, October 12th at 1:30 p.m. Central Time. So I hope that's on your calendar because it's on mine. But let's get into what is your session all about? Rory?
Yeah, well, sure, Jeff. Thank you. Well, so we have within Sunbelt, we have a tremendous amount of options to help you say yes. Not just automatic scrubbers. We have those. We have the autonomous mobile robot scrubbers and sweepers and vacuums and just the whole gambit of what most of the building service providers need to do their business. But our goal with this presentation is maybe to take you out of your comfort zone and take you into some other ideas that can help you grow your business, maybe quote some more tag work, widen the scope of work on your next opportunity, or just say yes when somebody says, hey, can you clean the outside of my building? And now we're introducing some innovative ideas such as the new drone cleaning technology to help you say more yes. So that is at the core of our presentation. We are going to talk about some of the ways that we are helping service providers and cleaning providers acquire and train and retain talent in a very challenging talent acquisition time, one of the more challenging ones that I have seen in my experience within this business. And then finally, how can we grow your top line revenue during times of uncertainty with innovative products? I mentioned the new drone that we're going to be showing at the show. We also have other innovative products and innovative solutions. So those are the three things I would offer up. I know Alec has a couple on his mind. Alec, if you'd like to take it from here.
Yeah, thanks, Rory. So some of the additional stuff that we'll be touching on to help you guys grow your business is total cost of ownership, or TCO. It's a real thing. We're here to help support that through rental and help with your risk mitigation as well as it comes to your scope of work and the areas that you guys operate in, and then also helping managing the supply chain that we're all experiencing as well. We've got the immediate availability, reliability, and ease of the equipment and the expertise and the service that we provide here within Sunbelt. So really looking forward to our presentation and helping you guys grow your business.
You know, what you two are doing, it sounds like it's a topic that any forward-thinking entrepreneur would want to take in as an opportunity. So sounds like a cool topic. Any additional highlights you can share about the session?
Well, probably one of the things that we are most proud of and thankful for, especially thankful for to this audience, is our growth. When we started coming to the ISSA show 6 years ago, we had less than 20 locations throughout North America in flooring solutions. Sunbelt had well over 700 as Sunbelt Rentals, but we were scaling this. Today we have 74. I think by October 10th, it's safe to say we'll have our 75th location. We are growing quite fast due to the appetite for these solutions that are out there. And again, like I said, we're most thankful for that. In addition to locations, we have more people than ever, and we have more vertically integrated people within our group. We have strategic sellers like Alec on the call here. We have several of them now, more than ever, and we're also expanding concrete preparation and polishing. And concrete prep and polishing is very acquirable skill sets. We help service providers get into that work, and we're not only helping with training and equipment Now more than ever, we're helping with people. We have 12 currently concrete specialists on staff. We hope to have 20 in the very near future. So those are some ways that we're scaling the business, and thankful for this audience in participating in our solutions. We really are.
Let me ask this question. So as the attendees to your session leave, what are they going to take away? What can they really use in their business?
Yeah, so I'll be very brief here, and Alec, you're welcome to come in right on top. I think if we do our job right, if Alec and I do our job right, they're going to come away feeling confidence in saying yes, or before they say, hey, I can't do your parking garage, or I can't do your exterior building, or I can't maybe polish that concrete or remove some flooring like they might be saying today. We'd like them to say, I have some ideas. I'd like to say yes to that. Let me get back to you, and then let our team explore that with them. We can do site surveys, which we'll talk about. We can provide quotations for them to look at that opportunity and say, here's how I can say yes. That would be my hope, is that we build their confidence in saying yes to more opportunities. Alec?
Yeah, Rory, and feeding off of that, by saying yes, by having a true rental partner with Sunbelt, that we can supply you and support you 24/7, 365 days a year across the U.S., no matter where you may be working, no matter how small or large the job and place where you're working may be. We're here to support you, train you, and provide you, again, with immediate availability of equipment and service. So that would be the main takeaways, and looking forward to speaking and meeting and seeing everyone here soon.
So Rory, I believe you have a special invitation to share.
I do, Jeff. Thank you. And it'll be on the screen here in just a second. We are going to be at booth 1032. All the things we've talked about on this few minutes here will be in the booth. We'll have the drone, we'll have the AMR, we'll have some other product. Great people will be in the booth to help you understand, some of our opportunities to partner together. And we hope to see you in booth 1032. For those of you that get there early, we usually have some pretty nice giveaways. A lot of us know us for our giveaways. Come by and grab something, and we hope to treat you to something nice. So while they last, I should say. Thanks, Jeff.